Example 8.13, internal rate of return. Now let's find out some internal rates of return for our projects in the previous solved examples. So we've discussed certain examples. Let's just go over those examples pretty quick. Initial cash outflow is $2 million, and after period 1 we get $2.7 million. Initial cash outflow is $2 million, and the cash inflow is $2.05 million. Initial cash outflow is $2 million. Cash inflows are $650,000, $650,000, and $650,000 plus $800,000. We need to find out the internal rates of return of all these cash flows. So laid out these examples in Excel like so, and what we need to do is equals IRR, the function is IRR, select the cash flows and make a guess, whatever, 0.05 or 0.07, whatever you like, and it's going to give you an answer. So I like to keep it at 1 decimal, but feel free to not keep it at 1 decimal, and then control R. So we can see that the initial project produces an internal rate of return of 35%, whereas investing in bonds, since it's the opportunity cost of capital, gives us 3.5%, which is the opportunity cost of capital. And the project will give us 15.3%. So it's looking at exclusively the IRR, or the internal rate of return. The first project is take the money and run after 1 year is the most feasible option, looking at the IRR exclusively. But then companies have limitations with respect to how long they can do a project and how much allocation of budget is to a project, and we can discuss that all in the subsequent examples. Thank you for listening.